Well, once upon a time there was 3 lochs between Tarland and Abine, and considerably waterlogged, boggy grun in atween. No hard to see for one of them used to be. This is after our weekend of rain. Yep, luckily they got the hairston. That's the best water I've seen sitting here for quite a long time actually. Birds are loving it though. Well, this is the D at the Brig Potarch between Abine and Bankery. Still running high. It's Monday the 9th, is it? Still a lot of water coming, pouring down. Dropped a good bit though, you can sort of see at the far side for it. It's been up just very close to the fishing hut. Well, that's the view west for the parapet of the Brig Potarch.